What's up, guys? Welcome back to Midwest Skylines. We got a lot of updates on the cars. This white car, we got a lot done to it. Start in the back here. We got her all sprayed. All that's done. Got our nice battery in. Looks really nice. Surge tank. And then moving on to the interior. We finished everything up, buttoned all the wiring up. Let me go to the other side. Show you guys the dash. It's really nice. Got it from our boys at Haltech. Come on, there we go. So all our pressure's on the right side. Fuel pressure, you can see 44 pounds. Our fuel levels, temps on the left side. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I finished all that stuff up. And then moving on to the bay. We got all the wires done and lined, and then we got all the fuel lines plumbed. Everything's kind of a mess right here, but you won't really see much of it because the intake will sit right here. We moved the fuel regulator down just so it could be a little more clean in this area. And then we set our, there's our oil cooler right here. Yeah, everything's pretty much coming together. We are at a standstill until we get the motor and the head back. We actually have the motor right here. Looks really nice. Got our oil pump on. Water pump, everything's just coming together nicely. Here's the brakes setup, real big beefy brakes. Pretty much the same setup as ours, except he's running drilled and slotted. Moving on to the trans. His trans is all ready to go. His is a dog box, but it's helical cut and we are straight cut. So drivability is going to be a little bit better with that. Won't be as noisy. He has a billet mid plate. Transfer case, what we do with all our cars, higher horsepower cars, is we put a, instead of having 7, we put 10 clutch discs in there. So it really grabs a lot better. And then it's just a lot more sturdier. With the 10 clutches, you don't really have to worry about burning your 4-wheel drive up. So this is all nice and clean, ready to go in once we get the head done and all that stuff from our machinist. And then this is for the red car. This is our new 6-boost manifold. It is the T4 and it's moved 4 inches. But yeah, it's really clean stuff. We'll get her going. We're gonna be running a new turbo. It's gonna be a Precision. We don't have it right now, but it's going to be a Precision 7685 twin scroll Gen 2. So it's rated for 1350. So hopefully we can get up there without any spray. And then our plan is with spray, we're not going to do the bigger shot because the bigger shot only gives us 2 runs per bottle. So running like a 300 shot would just be annoying on the street. But so we're gonna keep it at a 150 shot so we can run, 7 passes per bottle. And then that turbo plus that 150 shot, hopefully will get us close to, 1500. Yeah, that's pretty much it, except for this red car is also we're getting carbon doors for it. We're doing a lot of weight loss stuff on it. So the carbon doors will be coming here in the next week or 2. So Colby will have that for you in this video. We already put the deck lid on. The carbon deck lid, so we should save at least 80 pounds between both the doors because we had some boom mat on there too. So
what's going on, guys? As Bailey said, we're getting ready to tear the doors off of the monster truck and make way for the carbon ones. So we got to pull the fender off, got to pull the regulator and glass and mirror. Handles and everything's got to come off. We'll get transferred over to the carbon stuff. And first we got to start with the fender. Figured I'd show you the rubber we've been throwing off the front tire. You know you're doing good when you're doing that. I'm sure you guys probably want to know how much this guy weighs. It's pretty light. £6. The world's lightest fender. Alright, we got the door off. Not too bad. Broke a couple of clips because it's freaking 30 years old. But we didn't break all of them. Got the cage all touched up. It was getting pretty banged up. If you guys haven't seen these, they're pretty cool. From a company out of, I think, Malaysia. Ultra Racing. These help stabilize the front coil tower a bunch. Keep them from walking around real bad. These cars are super flexy, so half the reason we put a cage in them is to stiffen them up. The other half is for safety. Let's see how much this door weighs. See if I can one-man this. Looks like about 30 pounds, thereabouts. These things are super light, man. Super light. I'm hoping the carbon ones weigh about 10, maybe 10 or 15. We'll see though. A lot of you know we swapped to a carbon fiber deck lid as well. Looks pretty good for Chinese piece. I'm pretty sure it's not Seibon like the doors. Yeah, don't hate on the 33 badge. I'm not paying 300 bucks for 32. Another thing we did was this anti-gravity battery weighs 7 pounds, man. More cold cranking amps than yellow top even. So we dropped 40 pounds just right there. Yeah. Ooh, look what we got here. Looks like all the packaging's good. Better open them up and see what they look like inside.
Fuck up!
Camera's rolling.
The camera's rolling?
Yeah.
Oh. Pardon me.
Oh. Oh. Oh, bro.
You have to paint them too?
Huh?
You have to paint them or you're gonna leave them carbon?
I'll probably paint them, yeah. Wow. Well, that looks dope. Looks pretty good.
How much weight do you save?
I don't know.
They look pretty light.
Grab the scale for me, will you?
Where's it at?
Right there. It's not carbon on the inside.
0.
Dude, it's always over composite. Super annoying. I don't care.
Wow, you're holding that with one hand?
Yeah, the other ones are pretty light too.
That's not even 5 pounds.
What do we got there? 18.
Are you pushing down?
No. 18 pounds? Fuck. Only saving 12,
like a new baby boy.
12 pounds per door, man. Not very much. But fuck, it looks cool. Suppose we better put it on now. Alright guys, we got the first door on. Took a long time. Gaps aren't too bad. Turned out pretty decent, really. Gonna have to do something about the inner door skin, but that'll work for now. Time to start the other side. Alright, so like 10 hours later, we're all good. Both sides, fenders are on. Gaps aren't too bad. Super particular about my gaps, so I gotta spend a lot of time on that. But they're not terrible for aftermarket doors. Not real happy with how this trim fits up here, but we'll mess with that later maybe. Pretty good looking gaps. I should have known that the backs were gonna be glass. Sometime down the road we might Swiss cheese all this, try and get some more weight out of it, because the backs are heavy. We still lost like 15 total pounds per door, but I was figuring on more. We're probably gonna run some like sheet metal type inners on that, just to clean that up a little bit. But yep, they close like factory. They sound really nice. They look nice. I mean, I'll probably end up spraying it down the road, but I can run that for now. But yeah, up to about 100 pounds, I think, a little over 100 pounds lost total with the deck lid, the doors, the everything else random we pulled out on it, but we're running out of stuff to pull out of it, so it might just be about the limit. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed watching that. The next video should be this car, hopefully putting the motor in, getting it close to firing up. But thanks for watching, we'll catch you in the next one. Say goodbye, buddy. Yeah, say goodbye. Oh, big stretch.